Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are shaving my face. If you guys want to see how we even get in this position, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and let's get on into the video. So let's get on into this review today. Today I'm going to be shaving my face, and I honestly never thought that I would do that. The single blade shaving of your face has always been something I've been intrigued in. It's called dermaplaning. I've always been intrigued about it because, you know, removing the peach fuzz, exfoliation, really allowing the ingredients that you're using on your skin to work. So that's something I've definitely always been intrigued on. I've had a lot of friends do it and love it, and I've also had some friends do it and feel like that was something that was causing them to break out. So I guess we'll see. Jill Razor was so kind to send me a package of their single blade razor, and it is honestly so cute. And I felt like this would be a good video because if you're contemplating on doing this, this might either help you decide to do it or decide not to do it. So there you go, it's a win-win. I got this in PR from Jill Razor, and you guys can use my code BEAUTIES10 at checkout if you guys want to use their products, but I will go ahead and open this up and we can kind of see what this is all about. So to start off, it has this very soft pink, very just like girly vibe to it. And then you open this cylinder and it says, unifying and empowering female face shavers. Okay, so to start off, I noticed at first this really cute towel. It's very soft. A replacement, so it says to replace after every shave, so they gave me an extra razor, which is really nice. And then the actual razor in itself, and it's really cute. Look at how cute that is, you guys. And then you just kind of pop the top off, and it is this single blade razor that we have. So I'm actually really excited to try this. It is about to be Halloween weekend this weekend, so I'm definitely excited to have a smooth face for my makeup and to, you know, just really help exfoliate and get everything off and the gunk off, since I will be doing some intense makeup looks this weekend. So I'm excited to, you know, start it off on the right note. Something else that I really appreciated that came in here was an instruction manual. I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to shaving my face, so this is something that you're definitely gonna see me not knowing what to do and get real, you know, person reaction out of it instead of someone that's being a professional. So you'll get to see the truth on how easy this actually is to do. Okay, so it gives you directions on like how to do this. So the first step is skin prep. So it says cleanse with a mild foaming cleanser, exfoliate with a gentle scrub or mask, that's optional, and then apply face oil or shaving cream / gel. And then step 2 is the shave. Hold razor at 45-degree angle and pull skin tight with opposite hand. Use short downward strokes and shave in the direction the hair grows. White blade with Jill gunk pad after every 3 to 4 strokes. P.S. Use the wide blade for the main areas of your face, and the small blade is meant for the brows. Okay, nice. And then step 3, here's step 2. And then step 3 is nourish. So nourish with the facial serum, moisturizer, or facial oil. Get out there and conquer the world because you are amazing. Share the world of facial shaving with your friends because it shouldn't be the best kept secret. P.S. Take a moment to feel how damn soft your skin is feeling now. So it has a before you ask section. So I'm going to read this because honestly, I feel like there's a lot of, you know, thoughts about this kind of thing. And like even my mom, when I told her I was doing this, she was like, are you gonna have dark hairs grow back on your face? So let's just go ahead and break down the questions now so we don't have to deal with it later. Glow maintenance before you ask. Will my hair grow back faster, coarser, or darker? Your facial hair will not grow back faster, coarser, or darker by any means when you start shaving. It will grow back exactly how it was before, thin and peachy. And then, I don't know where to start shaving my face. When in doubt, start with the wide blade, go from your cheeks, making your way to your chin, then forehead, then switch to a petite blade and go over your upper lip and brows. I really like how they sent this instruction manual because it honestly like answered a lot of questions, and I know that stigma idea of, you know, hairs growing back darker and thicker is something that people worry about. I mean, like I even have a little bit of a fear worrying about it because I have blonde hair naturally, so I don't really have darker hair, so of course I don't want to do anything to cause that for myself. I'm really excited to try this out, and I'm excited for you guys to be here with me while I try this out. So let's get on into it. Let's try it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face and then go grab some face oil, and I will be right back and we will shave my face. We're gonna shave my face today, you guys. Okay, now that I look like a little lad, I washed my face and I used the Penoxyl face wash. That's the only face wash I have, so hopefully that's fine. And then for my face oil, I'm using bio oil. I literally put this on my face. This is a Holy Grail product. This is so amazing for acne scarring. So I'm gonna take my bio oil, focus it on one side of my face. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on this section and go like section by section because I don't really want oil like all over my face. Okay, so it said to pull the skin and to go in downward motion. Am I doing this correct? Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, my face is actually so smooth. Wow, I don't know if you guys can see, but it takes off a lot of gunk. Oh my gosh. Okay, so basically I have really blonde hair, so it might not be that visible for you guys. I'm being very, very gentle, you guys. Especially since this is my first time, I'm just gonna be very gentle. I'm honestly really impressed. Yeah, I definitely like doing it with the face oil because it leaves residue, so it's not gonna leave my skin feeling like raw or anything. So I definitely think the face oil is the move, especially since I use this on acne scarring already and just on my face already, so it'll be nice to really help penetrate after the fact. I feel really good about that. And that was not nearly as scary as I thought it was gonna be. I actually feel really, really comfortable about that. I feel good about that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and continue and do the rest of my face. I shaved my face and my honest thoughts on it was it is not actually as scary as you might think. It was definitely something I was scared of to try at the beginning because it does seem like such a crazy thing, and like it kind of seems like once you start it, oh, you can't stop, or what if those dark hairs grow in and all this stuff. But honestly, because the razor is so small and so thin, I really don't think that that's the case at all. And my skin feels so smooth and vibrant, so soft. Like I'm actually really amazed by how good that looks. And my skin doesn't feel irritated at it at all. It might look a little red, but that's because I've honestly been rubbing on it and then moving everything. But it feels really, really good. I think this is something I'm definitely gonna continue to do, and it can be something I for sure can keep you guys updated on in the future, talk about in my next few videos, or as well on my Instagram stories. This is my Instagram, and I'm also gonna be uploading a video on TikTok if you guys wanna check there for updates. I really, really liked it. I actually was really impressed, and I'm excited that I actually had the courage to try it. And thank you so much, Joe Razor, for sending me this PR package and kind of giving me that extra kick to try this, because I'm really excited and I genuinely loved it. And I think the gunk towel helped, and having that razor, and that's a really nice razor, you guys. I was actually really impressed. It's super thin, so it's very gentle on your skin. Honestly, I loved it. I feel so good, and I feel so much more confident in my skin. I feel like it makes it look really smooth and healthy. So if you guys do want to try out Joe Razor and try out dermaplaning, which I highly recommend after trying it now, it's actually really amazing. You can use my code beauties10 at checkout to get yourself a razor and save some money. But I am genuinely so impressed, you guys, and I actually really want to continue trying this with different products. Like I saw a video of a girl using aloe vera as an option, so I think that that's one I definitely might try in the future instead of the face oil, and try the aloe vera and kind of see how it works with that. Let me know if you guys try it, or in the comments if you guys do this or don't do this, and give me your reasoning why. You know, I'm so intrigued to open the conversation about this. So okay, so the next step it says is to, you know, apply your moisturizer and stuff. So I use the Trader Joe's Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum. Swear by this, I love it. I'm like almost out. Oh my god, I am almost out. And this is a brand new bottle too. That just shows how much I use it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over my face like I normally would. And then next I'm going to use my Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Double Cream. This is one of my favorite moisturizers. And I have relatively dry skin, by the way. I'm gonna go ahead and rub that in. Whoa, I feel like I need that is the normal amount that I would typically use, and I felt like I needed a lot less product now that like my face is shaved. Like my skin looks so healthy. I can't wait to put on makeup this weekend. I will definitely be posting my Halloween makeup looks on Instagram so you guys can see how they look now that I've dermaplaned my face. Today is October 28th, Thursday, so I'm going out tonight, Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night. pray for me. You will get to see like all the looks and stuff, and that's why I am going out all those nights, because I really do want to do Halloween makeup looks, and I'm doing friends makeup and stuff like that. So I'm definitely excited. This is definitely going to be a really fun weekend for makeup and getting to play with makeup, which I haven't been able to play with creative looks in a minute because of school, so I'm really excited. Okay, so now that I've done all that, that is the final look. Big thank you to Jill Razor for sending me these products. Again, my code is beauties10 if you guys want to try any products out. I will have all of Jill Razor's stuff linked down below in the description, so you guys can check them out too. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, beauties.